video, guys. Yes, we are going to talk about Canada. Yes, many people have texted me and said if I can provide you jobs in Canada. Today I'm not here to show you a specific job. I'm going to show you how you can get a job by yourself with no agent. What you have to do is to go to this website that I'm going to show you, this Canadian website called Job Bank, and filter job by yourself. Before we get started, I would like to thank everyone who had subscribed to this channel, and also if you are new here, guys, welcome. In this YouTube channel we have worldwide opportunities, remote jobs, we talk about scholarship, everything that you want to know about worldwide opportunities, most likely remote job that you can work anywhere in the world with any nationality. Yes, welcome. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be updated when I upload new video, and remember to like my video. Yes guys, it really helps the channel for the growth. I've prepared presentation for you guys. Pen and paper and be ready to learn and understand how you can get those jobs. Okay, so let's get started. As you see on your screen, this is my social media platform. You can visit me anytime, guys. If you have any question, ask me. I'm ready to help you out. And this is the outline for today, where we're going to talk about the legit job in Canada through this website called Job Bank. This is a government website, and I'm going to show you the website itself, how to find the verified employers, how to know if employer has this permit to employ temporary foreigner workers, and also how to filter jobs. I will show you how you can filter jobs specifically in your careers. Also, stay tuned throughout the video. I have some tips for you guys, okay? I have some terminology that you have to understand if you are seeking job in Canada. There is this terminology, temporary foreigner worker program. This is the program that allows Canadian employer to hire foreigner worker to fill labor shortage in certain industry or occupation. Again, we have labor market impact assessment. This is the document that Canadian employer must obtain before they can hire you as a temporary worker. We have this work permit. This is a normal work permit, guys, that you can have to work as a foreigner worker. Then we have open work permit. This is where your permit has restriction. And then we have this closed work permit. This is where you have restriction but on specific occupation. Again, we have international mobility program. This is a program where employers have been exempted to this labor market impact assessment. Government of Canada has assessed this employer and said there is no need to have this labor market impact assessment. Thereby, employer can employ foreigners worker without this labor market impact assessment. We have this post-graduation work permit. This is where you are international student. After graduation, they will give you this post-graduation work permit. We have this express entry. This is very common. It's all about skilled foreigner workers who want to live and work in Canada. We have this Canadian Express class. This is where someone on express entry system, you can apply resident permit. We have this provincial nominee program. The program is when your province can give you work permit or work residence. If you are planning to apply to Canada jobs, you have to have your passport in hand, get ready your English test score, update your resume every day when you apply the job. Make sure you update the resume, you update the cover letter, and also have this Canadian phone number. Update every day your LinkedIn. I always emphasize on LinkedIn account. Guys, have your LinkedIn updated every day. This is how the website looks like. It's called jobbank.gc.ca. So before we go to the tips, I want to show you how and why to get this Canadian phone number. First of all, this will help you to proceed with your application. Yes, many people have these questions because when they apply, they can't proceed. Sometimes they tell them that okay, you have to enter Canadian phone number. Maybe they don't have relatives or friends, you know. This can help you in your application. I'm going to recommend you this Text Now. This is an app that you can download in your phone and use it. Any type of phone you have, you can still download this Text Now. This video is not sponsored, guys. We just here to give informative video, and make sure you understand that they will charge you most likely like $25 or $20 that you can pay to have this Canadian phone number. What you have to do, go to your browser, right? Job Bank Canada website. This page will show up, and click here, Job Bank. You will see this Government of Canada Job Bank. This is a website where everyone can get job and know that, okay, this job is not a scam. This job is legit. This is where we filter all jobs and get updated. You have to sign up here. You put all your information. So what you have to do here, go to advanced. There is so many features that you can use. You can go to this labor market impact assessment, click here. If you are looking for a remote job, click here. You know, part-time. If you are a student, to filter your job you are seeking for, you know. We have seen labor market impact assessment. Employer can employ you as a temporary foreigner worker. So they have to have this document. If you are seeking a job, you have to click here. You can see we have these many jobs here, and does mean that all this employer has LMIA to employ temporary worker like you. You know, let's see this labor fruit farming. If you see something like this, it means this employer has applied for labor market impact assessment to fill labor or skills shortage on temporary basis. When you are on this page, go down, you will see labor market impact assessment. Click here and then click on approve. You know, we have 1,000 of jobs that are available, and all this employer are ready to employ you direct with no any barrier, because they have this document, labor market impact assessment. They are ready to employ you as a temporary foreigner worker. You can see home support worker. This employer has an approved labor market impact assessment to hire foreigner worker, fill labor or skill shortage on temporary basis. You can see the job and then start applying. Don't care about this warning. Sometimes this warning come automatically. Even if you see this warning, just apply. Application is free. Don't worry to apply, because if this employer has this document, it means he's ready to employ you. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see this job, living career giver. This employer has an approved labor market impact assessment as well to hire foreigner worker to fill labor or skill shortage on temporary basis. You can see that the employer accept application from other candidate without valid Canadian work permit. Even if you don't have a valid work permit, you are ready to apply to this job. You can see that he has labor market impact assessment. He's ready to employ you direct if you apply, you know. You can see the job details. They only ask you 1 year or less than 2 years. He is ready to employ you. This always come automatically. So let's go back. You can click here on show more results. You can scroll down and see, let's see this sales. For those who are in sales, guys, you can see this salary is very good, 31 per hour. They pay really good. You can apply direct to this employer without passing through agent. You know, there is no any warning, guys. This employer is willing to employ you even if you are living outside Canada, regardless your nationality. You know, you can see who can apply to this job. Employer accept application from Canadian citizen and permanent or temporary residents of Canada, but also employer can accept other candidate with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So let's go back. If you are a baker, you can apply to this job. There is no restriction. Employer is ready to employ you. Even if you are out of Canada, employer is verified. Always, guys, you have to check if employer is verified and there is a job number. Thereby, you will understand that this job is not a scam. You will know that employer has this tick. This tick means verified. Thereby, you will go here here and see if this employer has this labor market impact assessment approval, and you will go down here to know if this employer is ready to employ either candidate with or without a valid Canadian work permit. Hereby you will be ready to apply to that job. Let's see this personal support worker. As always guys, you have to check these things. You have to check if employer has this verification, and then you will go here down here to see if this employer has approved labor market impact assessment. Let's see this for those who are in sales, retail sales. See if employer is verified with this blue tick. It means that this is not a scam. Here you have to verify if employer has this LMIA. Again, you can see if employer is willing to employ you even if you don't have a Canadian work permit. Yes, did I say I have tips for you guys? Yes, actually I do. As you can see on your screen, if you are looking for jobs in Canada, connect people with Canada, go to this job bank and then find the company that you are looking for. You connect with people who are working in that company, okay? You will be like speaking with them in a professional way, maybe 5 months to 6 months. You will ask them if they have a job availability in their company, or you will talk to them that you have applied a job in their company, you know? Be professional when you contact people there. You don't have to be like discouraged with anything. This job application is for free and you can make it as your hobby. Like it, love it. Make sure you apply to 10 jobs at least a day. Apply so many jobs, and never pay a recruiter because those are scammers. Again, make a list of those companies on the LinkedIn you are looking for. Have a notebook with you. Every job we have to write. Every job, take a note. Remember 3 things: time, effort, and consistency. So consistency will help you to move forward. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the notifications so that you get a notification when I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.